Skinny Man, one of two men being sought for abduction and rape. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come.
Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. A high-level probe is ongoing to locate two suspects behind the abduction of a taxi operator and the rape of a female passenger in downtown Kingston area last week. The police have stated that one of the suspects has only been identified by his alias Skinny Man. The report on the incident are that on Tuesday, August 23rd, about 9:30 p.m., the taxi driver and a woman were inside a public passenger vehicle on Ocean Boulevard in downtown Kingston when they were accosted by a man with a gun. The two individuals were robbed of personal items which include cash. The gunman then took the cabby and the passenger to an area along Water Lane where the taxi operator was tied up. The woman was then raped and the man was stabbed in his neck by the gunman. The taxi operator remained hospitalized while the woman received treatment at hospital for the ordeal. Skinny Man and another suspect are believed to have been behind a number of crimes that have been committed in the corporate area. Investigators are trying to locate them. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.